I never used to sleep before like 4 or 5 a.m. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अभी वापस इतना कर पाऊंगा. So maybe not finding true love.
Marry me, Karthik.
I can't go back now.
Hey guys, this is Alice Cara Peter, and today I have with me the fabulous Karthik Aryan.
Thank you
How
so
are we
much.
doing?
I am doing good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
First of all, I have to tell you this film is so intense, a very challenging role, very different from what you've done before. How did this film come to you? How did you end up saying yes to this film?
Kabir sir, I wanted to collaborate with Kabir sir for the longest time, and he was the one who we had met, and he narrated me this story, and I asked him about. I mean, I was blown away when I heard the first one line of this film, and then the entire narration, and I just asked him this simple question that, "Are you sure this is true?" Because it felt so unreal to be true.
Yeah.
So but they were all facts, and it's sad that such a huge story. I mean, ये बच्चे बच्चे को पता होनी चाहिए कहानी यहाँ पर,
Correct.
which a lot of people don't know about. So I feel I was really then amused by the fact that this kind of story existed, and instantly I was up for this challenge. And later I realized that it was so difficult to actually portray Mullikant Petkarji because of the fact that the kind of physicality that he had, or the kind of sports that he played or represented India in, and the kind of hardships that he went through. I think all of it was just too big a responsibility also for me. And but this journey couldn't have been. I think Kabir sir just made it really something where I had a teacher, principal figure to look up to, and he kept motivating me, and maybe he guided me a lot through this journey, which really helped me a lot.
So Kabir Khan has been the reason why there's been quite a transformation for you. At an
Yeah.
external level, we see that because we've seen the videos, we see it in the film,
Yep.
the kind of transformation that's been there, not only on a physical basis, but also at an internal level.
Yeah.
This is something that you mentioned in the past in
Yeah.
a previous interview.
Yeah.
At an internal level, what is the kind of transformation that you have noticed?
I think the entire thought process. I think I've been really. It's to do a lot to do with my regime, with my lifestyle, and the way I think, the way uh, uh, I didn't have me time for the longest time, I guess. And while prepping for this film for Chandu Champion, I had lots and lots of me time. I had lots of time with myself, where I was just basically preparing for the role, going to the gym or being at my place, and just going to bed, or just having a complete anti-social life. So I guess, and I wasn't doing anything else apart from Chandu Champion. I was just doing this film for like quite a while. So, so that really gave me time to introspect and think a lot about whatever my choices, my life, my perspectives towards different things, and and also and also my craft. I think it changed a lot of things, and I've experienced it while performing sequences or scenes in the film. Uh, they 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 don't sound, or they don't look the way you would see me in other films, in my previous films, basically. And and I think it's got a lot to do with Kabir sir's involvement, and the way he did his workshops with me, the way we used to do our reading sessions. We used to indulge in those scenes before going in front of the camera. Uh, a lot of prep went into those scenes. A lot of prep went into those emotional zones, or the psyche of the character. Uh, and how Mullikant Petkar ji might have thought. वो थोड़ा सा मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि it's a lot to do with Kabir sir's involvement
True.
in me.
True. You also did mention in the past once that you had insomnia. and now after you got on board with this film,
Yeah.
and obviously with the kind of discipline that this film, this role demanded, that is something that was kind of, I don't know if it's gone away. I mean, that's something that you'd be able to tell me.
Fully gone.
Fully
It
gone.
wasn't actually insomnia. It was more to do with. I used to get sleep, but there's this thing. You feel like sleeping, but you don't sleep, and you're just awake thinking
Okay,
about.
restlessness?
Restlessness, maybe
Huh.
jittery. I used to be really jittery, and think about कि अच्छा कल क्या करने वाला हूँ, परसों क्या करने वाला हूँ, and about my work, and so I think. That is something which really went away, and because of that I never used to sleep before like 4 or 5 a.m. and then I used to wake up at like around 8:39 and go to work, or yeah, so that is something which completely changed, and these are few of I mean just my diet, maybe my gym routine, my I never knew physio से क्या हेल्प मिलती है, मुझे वो मेरी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा एक इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ टू डू फिजियोज एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो वो मुझे लगता है छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मैं ऑल्टरनेटिव फूड्स, अगर मैं कुछ खा रहा हूँ तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पहले मतलब आई वॉज अ फूडी, बिग टाइम फूडी, एंड फॉर मी खाना तो खाऊंगा ही बहुत ज़्यादा, और उसके बाद मीठा भी कुछ खाऊंगा. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वो सारी हैबिट्स मेरी बहुत चेंज हो गई, और एंड इट जस्ट या हेल्प मी अ लॉट.
So this change and this transformation is to stay.
Yeah,
Definitely.
I can't go back.
Now it's going to be very difficult.
Yeah, it's been very difficult यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. तो I really मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अभी वापस इतना कर पाऊंगा. So I'm trying to maintain this.
Which is a good thing. Which is a good
Yeah.
thing. Yeah. So we'll send in reminders if need be.
Yeah, thanks.
Acha, so now there's quite a bit of a introduction to change that Kabir sir obviously got into the picture for you. Has there been anything of that kind, like maybe a learning or a change of that sort that maybe Sajid sir has gotten?
I think Sajid sir has been really. I would like to say that he's a filmmaker, and he's someone जो film को not just as a producer but like a director भी देखते हैं कई बार, and उसकी वजह से बहुत help होती है, and he backs it like his own, like वो कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ में he's always available, he's always there for the film. He's someone who's like you can ask him anything and he'll be of help in some way or the other. So I think he's and with Satya Prem Ki Katha also, that was one successful collaboration that I had with him, and I hope it continues with Chandu Champion now, and we do lots and lots of films in future.
Lovely, lovely. After Satya Prem Ki Katha, I think a lot of people started looking at you a little differently. And I think after the film, there's this one line that you made, during an interview, that you started receiving a lot of praise for the character that you played in its truest form. Why do you think that?
In Satya Prem Ki Katha, I think it was more like playing a character who was selfless and really, he was someone जो पीछे खड़ा होके अपना ना सोच के सामने वाले का ज़्यादा सोच रहा था, and I was just happy, and I was just surprised by the kind of reaction, the positive reaction that came my way after it got released. So and कि हर किसी की लाइफ में सत्तू होना चाहिए and stuff like that. So so that's why I might have said that कि वो मैंने बिना किसी मिलावट के कैरेक्टर पूरा प्ले किया था जिसमें he was just there for someone he loves, and he from the start to the end he was just helping his love to achieve whatever she wants to achieve. So I think वो मेरे लिए बड़ा एक कैरेक्टर ऐसा था जो बहुत ही उसका पोर्ट्रेयल समीर सर ने उसमें जिन्होंने डायरेक्ट की थी वो फिल्म, उन्होंने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से उसको पोर्ट्रे कराया था, and that's why maybe I said that it was just beautifully portrayed in its truest form. So and a lot of people loved it.
So basis the character basically, right?
Yeah.
Not only because of because also your previous films like be it Sonu or be it even Rajat back, then obviously it did have that kind of a recall value and you did get a lot of appreciation for
Yeah.
those films and your characters.
आई मीन वो वही होता है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चाहे वो सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी हो या प्यार का पंचनामा हो या भूल भुलैया हो, ऑल दीज कैरेक्टर्स आर somewhere I have been lucky in terms of getting those characters. These characters are known in terms of their uniqueness also in some way or the other. Be it Sattu, be it Roo Baba or Sonu, ये सब मतलब एक ऐसा वो होता है बहुत बहुत रेयर ऐसा सीन होता है जहाँ पे आपके कैरेक्टर्स नेम सबको पता होते हैं, जिस तरीके से वो बिहेव भी करते हैं वो भी पता होता है. सो आई फील ब्लेस्ड दैट आई हैव हैड सच यूनिक कैरेक्टर्स एंड सच यूनिक फिल्म्स इतना अपने करियर में अभी तक. And I hope Chandu Champion also has that uniqueness and people
Definitely.
relate to that whole entire journey and the character.
Yeah, and they get inspired for sure.
And they get inspired because and I hope lots and lots of people see this film because it's a story which a lot of people and a lot of people, like everyone should actually know about it. And this is a film which actually not only will inspire a lot of people over here but it will inspire a lot of people globally. तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी कहानी है जो सबको जानना चाहिए.
Lovely. Okay, it's been 13 years for you almost in this industry now, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's only in the recent years that you've started experimenting with the kind of roles you're
तो
getting.
पहले फिल्में ही नहीं आती थी मेरे पास. तो नहीं यार.
Yeah, let's start with that first. Abhi, I think after Dhamaka, though, it's been quite a turn where people can see कि अच्छा, Karthik can play these roles also.
Yeah.
Do you think that now you're being very picky or selective about the roles that you are getting?
Since maybe सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी उसके बाद से मेरे पास ऑप्शंस आने चालू हुए हैं फिल्मों के. एंड अदरवाइज मेरे पास वो क्या बोलते हैं मेरे पास वो कभी ऑप्शन ही नहीं था कि अच्छा जो फिल्म आ रही है उसमें से ठीक है ये मैं अब इसमें 200% दे दूंगा. लेकिन नाउ दैट आई हैव दैट ऑप्शन आई कैन चूज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ रोल. सो आई वुड जस्ट से कि मैं पिकी रहा हूँ जब से मेरे पास ऑप्शंस आने चालू हुए हैं फिल्मों के. और एंड या सो चंदू चैंपियन इज़ दैट फिल्म जिसमें मैं बहुत टाइम से इस तरीके की फिल्म करना चाह रहा था. अ फिल्म विच इज़ मल्टी जॉनर, अ फिल्म विच हैज़ एवरी स्केड्यूल सीम्ड लाइक अ डिफरेंट फिल्म ऑल टुगेदर एंड इट गेव मी so many moments that I would remember my entire life because I'm really proud of this story. I'm really proud of this film. So मुझे लगता है ये भी एक यूनिक कहानी है जो मैंने चूज करना चाहा. मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं बोलूँगा इन फिल्म्स को. मैं बस ये बोलूँगा कि मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि जब मैं फिल्म सुनता हूँ तो जो गट फीलिंग आती है मुझे कि यार आई वुड लाइक टू सी दिस फिल्म. मैंने उस तरीके से ये फिल्म को भी इस कहानी को भी अपने लिए सोचा था कि मैं करना चाहूँगा. एंड आई वाज लकी दैट कबीर सर was actually directing this film. And so yeah, it's these films and maybe डाउन द लाइन ये ऐसे काउंट हो रहा है कि धमाका, फ्रेडी, सत्य प्रेम की कथा, नाउ भूल भुलैया आल्सो एंड नाउ चंदू चैंपियन. सो ऑल दीज फिल्म्स आर जस्ट दे आर यूनिक. वन इज अ थ्रिलर, वन इज अ हॉरर कॉमेडी. आई थिंक सत्य प्रेम की कथा इज एन इमोशनल रोमांटिक फिल्म. आई थिंक सब एक दूसरे, फ्रेडी है बीच में, तो दे आर ऑल डिफरेंट जॉनर्स. बट आई नेवर थॉट दैट मैं दूसरे जॉनर्स करने की कोशिश करूँगा. इट जस्ट हैपन टू बी कि मुझे जो फिल्में पसंद आ रही हैं, जो अच्छी है, और मैं अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स जाने नहीं देता. मैं बहुत सेल्फिश हूँ स्क्रिप्ट्स को लेकर. तो वो मुझे एक्चुअली शायद से वो वर्क कर रहा है मेरे लिए. उसकी वजह से ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सपेरिमेंट.
As an actor, what scares Karthik Aaryan? Like, do you have a fear of any sort?
As an actor, if you ask me, if I don't know if there's some fear. अगर डायरेक्टर मुझे बोले कि एक्शन एंड आई वुडंट नो व्हाट टू डू, आई थिंक दैट वुड बी माय फियर. बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू डू अ सीन इन डिफरेंट वेज पॉसिबल. बट कभी ऐसा ना हो मेरे पास कि अच्छा मेरे पास कुछ करने को ही नहीं है टू सो आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक कि मैं एक ऐसा एक्टर होना चाहिए कि आई कैन ब्रिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू द टेबल. And that's one fear, if there's some fear in terms of acting ki agar, yeah.
And if I may ask at a personal level, what is the one fear that Karthik has deep down?
One fear. Uh, I think one fear I might have maybe not finding true love. Yeah.
Interesting,
Yeah.
interesting.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. I don't think that's going to happen though. But yeah, because have you seen the people like when you go, whenever you go, there's everybody just like they're telling you, marry me, Karthik, right? So
Yeah, there are so many people,
Yeah.
but अभी
Okay, so then this
उनको
is
मैं
me
जान
just
नहीं सकता इतना.
okay, so this is us manifesting now that you will find your true love.
Thank
Okay,
you.
soon, and this is going to happen. Last question out here. What is your message to the 15-year-old Karthik back then? What would that message be?
टेंशन मत ले, तू एक्टर बन जाएगा. So I think that was one thing जब 50 when I was 15 or 16 I think मैं तब डरा सोचता रहता था कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है, कैसे बनूंगा, बन भी पाऊंगा, नहीं बन पाऊंगा. ग्वालियर में हूँ, मुंबई पहुंच पाऊंगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऑडिशंस होते हैं, वहाँ पे पता लगता है. ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस वर देयर. किसी को जानता नहीं हूँ, अभी वहाँ पे जाके कैसे कोई मुझे ऑडिशन में भी लाइन में भी खड़ा करेंगे कि नहीं. So I would just say this, ki, don't worry, it'll all happen.
And it has happened. Clearly, this journey has
touch
been.
wood.
Yeah, this is one. Okay.
I think so.
Yeah.
Haan.
Okay, no, it has definitely happened. I mean,
Thank
your
you.
journey has been quite a wholesome one. And with this film, I think, the tables are going to turn big time and
hope
people
so.
are going to
I
really
hope so. Thank you. I
appreciate.
really hope so.
All right. Thank you so much, Karthik, for chatting with us, taking out your time.
Thank you.
And all the very best for Chandu Champion.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And this one's a wrap.
Thank you so much.